In this question, we're given the transfer function of an LTI system. We're told that the input is a unit impulse, and we're asked for the output. We're actually asked for the output at a particular point in time, so we're told that we want the output when t equals 2.1. So the first thing we need to do is find an expression for the output. Now, the impulse response is the Laplace transform of the transfer function given is the Laplace transform of the impulse response. And the impulse response is the output when the input, x of t, happens to be an impulse. And the question gives us x of t as an impulse. So that's very convenient because it means that what we're actually trying to find is, so the y of t we're actually trying to find is actually h of t, our impulse response. So what we want to do is to find the inverse Laplace transform of h of s. So if you look in the Laplace transform table, we'll see that the function t to the power n, u of n, has the Laplace transform of n factorial divided by s to the power n plus 1. So that looks exactly like that with n equals 4. So you've got the 4 factorial divided by s to the power 4 plus 1. So the inverse Laplace transform of that is t to the power n u to the n. So the answer would simply be t to the power n, which is 4 times u, sorry, I said u of n, I meant u of t. So that's your inverse Laplace transform. So if the question gives you a value of t, you simply put that in place of t. So 2.1 to the power 4 is 19.4481. So that would be your final answer. That would be the answer for y of t, or y of 2.1. So you'd be asked to find y of 2.1, and that simply means y of t when t equals 2.1.